Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In these 7-day series, this is our day 1 and we are going to discuss about 80 by 20% rule. So this is a Pareto principle where we use this principle in our studies most of the time because this is so important. Like everyone talks about the 80 by 20% rule to must use in your studies, your day-to-day studies, mostly in your exams. So 20% of efforts create 80% of results. Like what does this mean? Simply this means that 20% of your key focus, like in your studies, like 20% of your efforts, what you've done in your studies, in your exams, can create the 80% of your results, because that 80% matters a lot from that 20%, because that 20% is creating a more importance in your exams. So it also, for example, we can say that the 20% of your mistakes can lose your 80%, like 80% of your losing points. This is the example for that 80 by 20% rule. So how can we find that what is our 20%? So you just have to check your previous exams or papers, or like what is your key points in your chapters, your notes, what your teachers say most of the time to revise this thing, revise this concept. So this is your 20%. If you catch your 20% from your studies and you just have your 20% in front of your eyes, you just study that 20% most of the time, so you are creating your 80% of your results. How we can use 80% in our studies, or how we can create 80% of our results? By active recalling. Active recalling is most powerful, your 20%, because when you active recalling your 20%, you're creating your 80% of results. So this is basically what we can do or practice in our studies, like practice. And see you soon in my day 2 series.